Hey guys, just a recap really on a product that I used to sell, but we didn't have much interest, and I can only put that down to the fact that the location of the workshop. But I'm going to launch them back on TikTok and on Amazon, and that is the Boeing Consult wood repair kit. Now, if anybody that's doing, I would say, furniture, table making and basic cabinetry and joinery, this piece of kit is fantastic for doing hundreds of hours of prep reduced to 20-30 minutes. It's basically a wood glue adhesive gun, but obviously a lot more powerful than a standard one you'd get from like a wholesaler. But this product by Boeing Consult is very, very clever in the fact that you get sticks and you get all sorts of different colours. So you might have seen my farmhouse table £10,000 one on YouTube. Now all the prep and everything was done with this wood glue gun. So you can see the tubes come in like a sort of like a 200mm length, and these, well, that's 300mm, beg your pardon. There are 100mm in my box there, but these are all, so you can order these separately. They can go in existing wood glue guns, but the only thing is I wouldn't really want to do that because it might not be the right heat for these. I mean, you can change the temperature on this gun. That's another thing what I like about it. It's a 300 watt, but you can change the Celsius of heat. So I normally have it on 145, and it melts the glue perfectly. And with the videos that you would have seen Wayne when he came to our workshop back in 2021, you would have seen him do the demonstration. So I'm going to do those videos again for everybody on YouTube, TikTok and Instagram, just to sort of recap everyone's memory. But in the kit you get from us, you get a box, you get the Pro gun, the 360, you get the cooling off aluminium plate, you get the really, really sharp plane, but you can use your own or any sharp sort of flat surface, but it has to be flat because obviously if you don't, you'll just take more gouges out. And in the kit you get a different nozzle, obviously you get some of the standard stuff, and then you get your sort of whatever's left in the tube you can put back in here. And with that, if I can get one out, if it will let me, is you get little capsules of different colours, and you can make your own different colours. I mean, what I found with it when I was doing the repairs prior to doing resin work, it meant that I wasn't using so much resin as a top coat or even in the actual pour, because this tool was filling all the gaps and making sure I got rid of all my air bubbles. So for me, it was absolutely brilliant. I've used it on many projects on my YouTube. Go and check it out at Weston Timber Limited. Please comment on this video if you've got one of these or are thinking about getting one, because it just absolutely saves that sanding time and your prep time in the shop. And what I found is it really improved my production. And a lot of companies buy these for like Amazon maybe buy them for literally making the cardboard boxes. So you can see why they buy them, because they're fantastic. But we use them in this instance for wood repair. So it's Wood Care Repair by Boeing Consult. Go and check them out. They're in the UK. Wayne is the UK dealer. He sells to me and I can sell them to you. So that's the connection there. Please comment on the video. Remember, the slower you go, the faster you go, and the links will be in the video.